female cop to stand trial in September on corruption-related charges. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
A policewoman who was charged with corruption-related charges relative to a probe of rape and robbery allegedly committed by another member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF in Black River, St. Elizabeth last year is to stand trial on September the 10th. The date was set when Constable Laverne Hendricks appeared in the St. Elizabeth Parish Court last week. She is charged with attempting to pervert the course of justice and misconduct in the public office. Hendricks, a resident of Ginger Hill in the parish, had her $300,000 bail subsequently extended until the start of her trial on September the 10th. Reports from the police are that on January 30th, 2023, a woman was stopped during a police checkpoint operation and a breach of a road traffic act detected. Constable Alwyn Hill, who was charged in connection to the case, allegedly solicited money in exchange for not prosecuting the woman. She was then taken to an automated teller machine ATM and was reportedly sexually assaulted. According to the police, the woman subsequently made a report to Hendricks, who was on duty at the time. However, Hendricks allegedly told the woman to lie in exchange for money, thereby obstructing the course of justice, the police said in a release from the Corporate Communications Unit, the CCU, at the time. The policewoman also reportedly gave a false statement to colleagues who had subsequently launched an investigation. The police said that the report was elevated to a senior investigator and a case file prepared and submitted to the Director of Public Prosecution, which recommended that Hill and Hendricks be charged. Hill was charged with rape, grievous sexual assault, forcible abduction, corruption, soliciting, and simple larceny relative to the incident. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a subsequent newscast. Thanks for watching.